Do not. Thanks, really, Sarah. By the way, I hope you have a safe ride to your home. Yeah, so bye. Yeah, bye. Oh, hi guys, I didn't see you here. Okay, so my mother just called and she told me that it's only 15 minutes away from this desert, and I was actually thinking that we will make it in 15 minutes, but she told me that it was a 30 minutes drive away, which means I passed 15 minutes in that last station. By the way, that guy you met is actually a really kind man. He asked me to stay in his home for the last night, and also I brought a new car. You wanna see it? Yeah, this is the front line, and it has really cool features, and it's almost like 140 speed. So guys, let's go and let's reach to our home. Oh, I should have been careful for right now. one point behind. So we need to reach rocket fuel and then we will reach bridge away and we will reach my mom and dad's back first. Okay, now we have 10 minutes to reach there. So I am talking and back very, very cool driving. Okay, this is so good. Yeah. I just had my mom and dad book these journeys that I'm going through. I just had them that these and they have to shoot somewhere else. So no one's sitting close to the door shift and I'm driving on my way. This is so dangerous. Look at the car. How does it roll? Right guys? Yeah. That big jump was so crazy and innocent that I could have died, but I was so dedicated. I told you I'm so good and driving. Sit down. Okay, now we have to make it to the rocket fuel somehow. Okay, now let's go. Man, last time was so cool. Okay, guys, we beat rocket fuel and now it's time to reach midway, the afterwards. Why did you do that, boss? Oh, it's something that I have reached the point to rocket fuel. So let's go now. We're doing playing. Oh wait, songs? Yeah. No. I told you. I should have gone and stuff and got mine. So my mouth was so careful with mine that is really low and of course I am only few minutes away and it's only 7 minutes so we have straight to 4 or 5 minutes to get that ticket. This is good. I'm going to fall and I don't care if I'm not alone. I have to reach that in. Okay, I should listen to that sign. Okay. Did we reach? Oh my god, I was so scared that I jumped out of that car. Okay, now I'm in Bridgeway again. Please tell me I'm in Bridgeway because we are almost literally late. I did not reach in that time. My mom and dad will tell me for good. They're still so strict with time and I have to reach there somehow. Okay, I told you in the last part that I was in this level and it turned out to be true even though that is exploded. Okay. No. Wait, what? What the heck just happened, bro? Oh, did that car just exploded? Okay, so now we have some minutes more. Resistance 9 minutes. Okay, that's time one. No, not this time. Oh my god, what the hell is happening? From last time, I just remembered. Yeah, bro, what are you doing? Oh, honestly, I was just going to know. Oh, really? Yeah, that's where my parents live. Oh, okay, have a nice safe journey. Yeah, you go on. Yeah, bye. Okay, now that I reached Bridgeway now, we're still like, what, 10 minutes? Yeah, 5 the government actually was a accurate murder. But I don't know why did this government make him die. Okay, we need to. Oh my god, so many thoughts of after.